Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like my video, share, comment, anything, and I'll be sure to attend to it. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how I did this week from start to finish. I use 3-pattern closure in achieving this look. I'll be leaving the description of all I use in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, so let's get started. So first, you place down your dome cap on top of your mannequin head. I use dome wig cap. This is the closure I use, 3 parts closure. Then this is the hair I use. It came in 3 bundles. So first you place the closure on top of the wig cap and then hold it down with your Tpin. Next, you sew down your closure on top of your wig cap like so.
Now waiting I no do, you know say I try. I see no work, she not good bar. Girl I know say you go pain, but I no go die. Hey, but make you no forget. Now your love make me say my etiquette. All of a sudden me I begin the etiquette, and now you be problem and body when my head to get. But if I know you go play with my heart, girl I for run away, I for no love you like that. Now you spin my head like a DJ Jimmy John. Say you love me, but you don't give me that.
So your hair should look like so after sewing it down. Next is to sew in your hair on top of the wig cap. I used flip over method in sewing in my hair. So I will allow you guys watch through.
From the award-winning producer, Shaky Man Cool Beats.
We don't say you're not there, hey. You don't say we never feel empty. So baby, wanna let me, See, but if I know you go play with my heart, girl, I for run away,
So this is what I mean by flip over method. So when you get to the end of the hair, just flip over like so. You don't have to cut the weft of your hair. Just sew it down ear to ear. Flip over, sew down ear to ear, flip over till you get to the top.
I never knew you can tear my heart away. But girl, I swear, say you do me something. The way you walk up and down, never knew you were up to something. You play my heart though. Girl, I love you like one calato. You just play what you walk like that though. You the one me catch me jack though. Girl, you say you love me plenty. When you wait away, you know you leave me empty. They can't even jet, I don't need your love. Need your love. But if I know you go play with my heart, girl, I for run away, I for no love you like that. Now you spin my head like a DJ Jimmy John. You say you love me, but girl, don't give me that. See, I left A cause it meant to be. I've been thinking, say you know what you mean to me. Maybe I love you more than it's supposed to be. And now I come to feel like say me a day stupid. But anyways, I go blame Cupid. Cause now him do the work, so I'm not stupid. But every time you defeat too big, even to apologize for the things you did. Wow. Shebi, they love to see me cry. Now waiting I no do, you know say I try. I see no work, she not good bar. Girl, I know say you go pain, but I no go die. Hey, but make you no forget. Now your love make me say my etiquette. All of a sudden me I begin the etiquette. And now you be problem and body when my head to get. But if I know you go play with my heart, girl, I for run away, I for no love you like that. Now you spin my head like a DJ Jimmy John. Girl, you say you love me, but girl, don't give me that. Baby, why you play with my heart? You sure you say you gon' love only me, I know. Now you leave me to go, but cause we ain't know we love you so. We ain't know we love you so.
So next you go in with your scissors to cut out the cap so that your closure will be visible.
Spin my head like a DJ Jimmy John. You say you love me, but girl, don't give me that. Hey, hello my lover. Never knew you were gonna break my heart. Hello my sweetheart. I never knew you can tear my heart away. But girl, I swear, say you do me something. The way you walk up and down, never knew you were up to something. You play my heart, girl, I love you like one calato. You just play what you walk like that, you the one me catching me jato. Girl, you say you love me plenty. When you wait away, you know you leave me empty. They can't even jet, I don't need your love. Need your love. But if I know you go play with my heart.
So your hair should look like so afterwards. So here I'm just trying to part the hair. I just did a center part on the hair. I just did a center parting on the hair.
I left A cause it meant to be. I've been thinking say you know what you mean to me. Maybe I love you more than it's supposed to be. And now I come to feel like say me a day stupid. But anyways I go blame to be. Cause now him do the work so I'm not stupid. But every time you defeat to be, even to apologize for the things you did. Wow. Shebi, they love to see me cry. Now waiting I no do, you know say I try. I see no work, she not good bar.
Next you sew in your elastic band like
but make
so.
you no forget. Now your love make me say my etiquette. All of a sudden me I begin the etiquette. And now you be problem and body when my head to get. But if I know you go play with my heart, girl, I for run away, I for no love you like that. Now you spin my head like a DJ Jimmy John. Girl, you say you love me, but girl, don't give me that. Baby, why you play with my heart? You sure you say you gon' love only me, I know. Now you leave me to go, but cause we ain't know we love you so. We ain't know we love you so.
From the award-winning producer, Shaky Man Cool Beats.
So here I'm just cutting the excess lace from the closure. You should be careful while doing this so you wouldn't cut more than required.
You say you love me, but girl, don't give me that. Hello, my love.
So this is the final look, guys. Here I'm wearing the hair all back. You can as well wear it center party, side party. Like, I'm really loving the hair. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to support your girl by subscribing to my channel, share the video, like, and and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Need your love, need your love.